So I wanted to do a quick update on this hatchet that I did a 60-minute restoration of, this Estwing hatchet. I received a lot of comments that I should try soaking the handle in Neatsfoot oil. This is something I hadn't really ever thought of. When I think of Neatsfoot oil, I think of softball gloves, baseball gloves. And really I hadn't thought about it much. And a lot of people recommended, I had mentioned maybe I should just soak it in boiled linseed oil, and some had recommended doing just that in Neatsfoot oil. So I went to the thrift store. One, I ordered some 100% pure Neatsfoot oil. And then I went to the thrift store to find something that held about 32 ounces or more or less, but would also fit my handle. And this water bottle for $1 fit the bill. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna put the handle in here first because I don't want it to overflow, and I will pour some Neatsfoot oil in there. So let's do that. And of course we've got, oh, that actually wasn't too hard to open. And let's see if we can get, all right, there we go. Looks like orange juice. So I'm gonna get it just above the handle. That looks about right. And woo, I hope we can balance that somewhere in the shop and let it sit for a while. And after letting it sit for a bit, I will bring it back out and we'll see how it did. Probably leave it for several hours. All right, so I've had this Neatsfoot oil soaking now for, I don't know, about 3 or 4 hours. And I thought I'd see how it looks. I actually had a rubber band on it and had covered, because I've been working on a few other projects that I'm trying to get done for you folks this week. This is part of one of them. Cleaning this up still. This will be intended on being the matching copper hatchet to my copper hammer. So that's the plan on that. I'm in the middle of trying to get it done. It was really quite rusted and it's got really deep pits, so I need to do quite a bit to get that out. And then I'm also working on a special collaboration that will be coming out probably later this week also. That should be pretty cool. So onto this Neatsfoot oil. Ooh. Wow, that looks, definitely darkened it up. Wonder how long I need to hold it here while the Neatsfoot oil drips off. Should have probably cleaned my hands. I've been sanding that hatchet. Maybe if I use the plastic bag, kind of squeegee it down, maybe? Maybe we'll do that. Yeah, that seems to be getting some of it off. I want to keep as much as I can. All right. Let's put that down there. Let me change the angle here. see. Good little soaking. That Neatsfoot Oil. This is, oh wow, yeah, that feels way much more oiled. Huh. So, Neatsfoot Oil is perhaps the recommended solution, or something intended for, oh, that's still oily, intended for leather, is perhaps better than, say, using my boiled linseed oil or the axe wax. The axe wax seems to work great on, say, my copper plated hammer, my handle here, which is micarta. But for the leather, something like that Neatsfoot Oil certainly darkened it up a lot too. So that looks great, feels good. So if you want to refresh your Estwing hatchet leather handles or hammer leather handles, give it a soaking in some Neatsfoot oil and Phoebings or Phoebings, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sure I'm getting it wrong, and there's a lot of people that will have something to say about that. But this wasn't too bad on Amazon. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link. Don't let the picture fool you. They actually have some smaller ones. This is 32 ounces. They even have some small, like, couple ounce ones that have like a little handle, same shape container. But 100% pure Neatsfoot oil. Yeah, looks great for your handles. So give that a try. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.